Hey friends, if you wish to attach a doc to an email, a Google Doc to an email, then please watch this video. Now, obviously, one can say that I can copy paste the link, but that is a very long and tedious method. So all you need to do is click on compose. Okay, I'll show you in a bigger screen. And when you're composing on an email, you will notice that there is a Google Drive kind of icon in the line corresponding to send. Okay, it has two triangles here. Click on this for insert files using Drive and then wait for it to load and then select this option and then click on add as a link. You will also get an option to add as an attachment sometimes, but it is better to add it as a link if the other person has a Google account. I mean, if you're sending it Gmail to Gmail. But yes, if you're sending it to, let's say, a Yahoo ID or a Hotmail ID, which is rare these days, then you can send it as an attachment. So that's your choice, and then enter the recipient's name here. Okay, and then enter the subject and then click on send. Okay, and then you can select how you want to share it, just as a viewer, or do you want to give that person editor rights. Okay, so I can give the person editor rights, and if you want to share it with anyone, this option is not selected by default, but if you want to share it with anyone, then they automatically get viewer rights and your name will not be displayed as such. And then click on send. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.